What's up, guys? Today we are back with the MR2. Today we're actually going to be mounting his seats. If you didn't know, I don't know if I mentioned it, his seats were never mounted. They were just sort of sitting in there. So we're gonna mount them today so he doesn't move around anymore.
I don't want to lean forward and back and sideways anymore. I'm trying to be in one spot.
Dude, it's worse as a passenger.
Yeah,
You can't prepare yourself for it. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, guys, so when you're installing sliders, you have to put the handle, this piece, into the actual rail that mounts onto the seat. And to get it to stay, you have to put it in a vise or a clamp, and you have to press it in, and then it'll stay. And you have to do the same with the other side. So just a little tip, before you press it in, make sure you have the handle facing the right way. You don't want to put it on backwards because they're really hard to get off and sometimes don't even want to come off. So you have to make sure this part is facing the front, not the back, because then you can't move your seat and you might as well not even have sliders. Alright, so we have it all mocked up now. We've got this part is what's going to be bolting onto the actual seat itself. And there on there, this one's just here so it stays square. So we can get where this bolt hole is right about here, that one's there, and then we got the back two. So now we have to build here, bridge over, same thing on that side. And on the bottom two we have to go up, or maybe not. I think it sits down lower because I think the seat's supposed to sit back. I don't think it's supposed to sit completely level. So now we just gotta bridge the gap. Okay, guys, so it's been quite a while since I picked up the camera. It's well, it's dark, and essentially all we've gotten done is the passenger brackets. We've got them. They're down here. Wow, they're those guys. They're all ready to go. All good there. And now I gotta do the driver ones, but first we're gonna test fit the passenger seat, make sure that we're good, and then we'll move on to the driver's seat. I don't know why we started with passenger seat. We did that. I don't know, it's something I've always done. Did it with my car, did it with Frank's car, and now we're doing it with Silvestre's MR2. So I guess we're gonna keep it going. Guys, we got the passenger seat in. It's been a rough one, but we got it in. So now we're gonna start working on the driver's side, and hopefully it's not as bad as the passenger side was, because that was what, 7 hours? 8 hours. We started early, and yeah. Okay, so we got the passenger seat in, and now we got the driver's seat pretty much ready. We're gonna try and get it in, but I mean it's raining right now. I don't really want to get you guys wet, so we're gonna get it in and then I'll let you guys know how it goes. So we're all good. We got them in and we're all good. So, alright, so I can't really show you the seats right now because of the pouring rain, so I'll pick up with you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and here's the seats. They're not going anywhere. We're all good. We're gonna go and we're gonna take a drive real quick, show you guys how they go. We'll talk about how they feel. First impressions, not moving around nearly as much as I used to. Every time he would shift before, I would go forward and then backwards again. On every turn, just shroom, go, fly out the car. If we hit a speed bump, I would just fly out the roof. But now we're good. Alright, so how do you like these seats now that they don't move anymore? Now that they're actually bolted to the car.
Yeah, it's a lot more stable that way. You know, I'm actually driving like a normal person. This car is like acts like a normal car.
So now that your seats don't move and they're way better, what is the next move? Are you gonna get better seats, or are you gonna stick with these, or what's the plan?
I'm gonna stick with these. You know, these came with the car, so I'm gonna use the shit out of them.
I think someone else already did.
By the looks of it, yeah.
All right, so that was the seats. So now we're good there, and then mainly he's just gonna be doing like cosmetic stuff to the MR2. There's not really anything major, because just the way his build plan is, it's not really like, hey, I need to get like all the mechanical shit done first and then go cosmetic like what I did. But now he's so yeah, that's the plan. So I will see you guys next time. Leave a like if you did. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.